Hi friends, my name is Miss Vera and I'm from the Children's Discovery Museum. Are you ready for story time? Awesome. Ready? Everybody stand up. Put your hands up high, put your hands down low, put your hands in the middle and wiggle them so. Put your elbows to the front, put your elbows to the back, put your elbows to the middle and quack, 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 quack. Quack, quack, quack. Put your elbows to the middle and quack, quack, quack. One more time. Put your hands up high, put your hands down low, put your hands in the middle and wiggle them so. Put your elbows to the front, put your elbows to the back, put your elbows to the middle and quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Put your elbows to the middle and quack, quack, quack. Good job, boys and girls. What bird was that? That's right, it was a duck. Good job. If you want to hear a story, take a seat. If you want to hear a story, take a seat. Find your hands, find your feet. Find your hands, find your feet. If you want to hear a story, take a seat. Welcome, everybody. Okay, did you know that birds are everywhere? They come in all shapes and sizes and colors. If you listen very carefully, you can hear them. And if you look very closely, you can see them. I have some birds that I want to show you. You ready? Okay. This is a robin. And robins sing beautiful songs. They tweet, 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 tweet. Can you tweet with robins? Tweet, 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 tweet. Good job. Here we have that's right, a chicken. Chickens lay eggs. They lay the kind of eggs that we eat. Can you cluck like a chicken? Ready? Cluck, 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 cluck. Good job. Owl. This is an owl. An owl is a nocturnal bird. That means it only comes out at night. Can you hoot like an owl? Hoot, 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 hoot. Good job. Oh, this one's getting bigger. Ready for this one? This is an eagle. Eagles have really, really big, wide wings. Can you stretch your arms out and flap up and down like an eagle? Good job. This, boys and girls, is a parrot. Parrots have lots of beautiful colors. What colors do you see, boys and girls? I see red and yellow and blue. Good job. We're ready for our story. Birds by Kevin Henkes and illustrated by Laura Dronzek. In the morning, I hear birds singing through the open window. Birds can be yellow or blue or brown or red or even green, I think. What colors do you see, boys and girls? Yeah. Sometimes they are so black that you can't see their eyes or their feathers, just their shapes. Birds can be big or little or any size in between. I see a flamingo, a hummingbird, an owl, a seagull, a sparrow. Once I saw 7 birds on the telephone wire, and they didn't move. And they didn't move. And they didn't move. I looked away for just a second, and they were gone. If birds made marks with their tail feathers when they flew, think of what the sky would look like. I spy yellow and purple and blue and green and red. If clouds were birds, the sky would look like this, or this. Sometimes in winter, a bird in a tree looks like one red leaf left over. Can you find the red bird in the tree? That's right. He's in this corner right here. Good job, boys and girls. If there are lots of birds in one tree and they all fly away at the same time, it looks like the tree yelled, "Surprise!" If I were a bird, I'd ask where all the other birds go when it's stormy and they can't go home. I like to pretend I'm a bird. I can't fly. Can you stretch your arms out and flap like a bird? Awesome. But I can do this. I can sing. Tweet, 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 tweet. The end. I love birds. Let's play a game. This is Birdie. Birdie is going to hide in the treehouse, the nest, or in the birdhouse. Let's see if you can guess where Birdie is hiding. Oops. Ready? Little bird playing hide and seek. Where could you be hiding? Let's take a peek. Okay, boys and girls, make a guess. Where do you think Birdie is hiding? All right, we're going to check under the tree. Is he under the tree? No. Let's check under the nest. Is he under the nest? Yes. If you guessed nest, you guessed right. Good job, boys and girls. Let's try again. Ready? Okay. Everybody, hang on one sec. I'm changing everything around. I'm rearranging the board. And I'm ready to hide Birdie. Ready? Little bird, playing hide and seek. Where are you hiding? Let's take a peek. Okay, everybody guess. Is he under the tree? Is he in the birdhouse or in the nest? Got your guesses? Let's start with the nest. He's not under the nest. Let's see the birdhouse. He's not in the birdhouse. How about the tree? There he is in the tree. If you picked the tree, you picked correctly. Good job, boys and girls. So, today's activity is making binoculars. Very simple activity, boys and girls. You're gonna need 2 toilet paper rolls, some tape, some markers, and some ribbon. What I did first was I decorated my toilet paper rolls with markers. Then I taped them together with tape. Then I taped the ribbon onto the sides, and I have my binoculars. Now I can go bird watching. If you guys make binoculars, you can go bird watching too. Okay, boys and girls, I have to say goodbye. Are you ready? Our hands say thank you with the clap, clap, clap. Our feet say thank you with the tap, tap, tap. Clap, 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 tap, tap, tap. Roll your arms and wave goodbye.